Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday morning. TGIF. I'm going to get straight to it. Last night was brats and veggies over good old mashed potatoes. I debated mashed potatoes, egg noodles, rice. Mashed potatoes won. I didn't make them. I'll be honest. I'll be totally honest. I discovered a new brand at Winco. I'm still discovering things at Winco and where things are at. Okay, enough of that. So, last night's dinner was fun, fast, and very tasteful. In other words, very flavorful. There we go. I'll get the ingredient list up for you this morning, as I always try to do. So that, being Friday, it's pasta day, or pasta Friday. I'm preparing chicken and mushroom pasta in a decadent cream sauce. I didn't name it. This is something I found. Simple. I haven't done a cream sauce in a while. It's been at least a week or two. But that's the fun part of having days like this where I get to just go and have some fun. Not that I don't have fun with other stuff, but you know what I mean. I don't have to stick to the recipes. This I get to have fun with. All right, let's get to it. All right, the hardware. Brazer's nice and clean from last night. So we got the brazier for the chicken and mushroom and decadent cream sauce. And of course, a Dutch oven for the pasta. All right, the software. Good old boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Kosher salt, black pepper. Of course, there's mushrooms, because you got to have mushrooms for something that's a chicken and mushroom dish. Mini penne. Whipping hot, heavy whipping cream, of course. You got to have good old heavy whipping cream or heavy cream for a decadent cream sauce. Butter, and that's to basically saute and fry up the chicken and mushrooms. Garlic, thyme, and good old grated Parmesan cheese. So here's the software for tonight's dinner. What would you change or add to the software for tonight's meal? Different pasta? Different herbs? What would you do? Let me know in the comments. All right, TGIF. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.